My name is Urvi and I am the South Asia Regional Manager for Iowa State University. I am at the Study Metro conference today and it was an amazing experience to be here. I think Abhishek and Abhinav are doing a great job by educating people about studying abroad, by giving a platform to universities like us to meet different kind of school counselors here, different kind of principals from different schools, and a lot of other independent counselors who are working closely to enhance study abroad. It's been an amazing experience for today, and thank you so much for inviting me for this.
Hi everyone, I'm Satna Shah from Central Michigan University and I'm here today at Indore with Study Metro and their education fair. Here I met lots of sub-partners and it was a real interactive experience with them. And yes, looking forward to have more students and good recruitment here with us. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Nishant and I represent Avila University for South Asia. I'm the Associate Director. So today I've been invited as a panelist in the conference by Study Metro in Indore. So it's a very beautiful city, very clean city, and Study Metro is a huge company which has very good network in this central India. So I have seen many agents who have attended the event, and the event was very well managed by Study Metro, and we had a great discussion as a panelist. Also, the topics we covered were regarding international and global education. And again, I would like to thank Study Metro Education and Mr. Abhishek Bajaj for inviting me to such a beautiful event. And I hope they keep on doing such events in the future. Thank you.